Today I will show you how you can start mining StarCash. StarCash is another Ethash coin and is another new coin. So this coin goes in the group of the SpecMining coins. Be careful when you're mining these new coins because we don't know that they will be here tomorrow. Information about StarCash you can find on their website. Scroll down and read what is all about this project. Or you can go to their Bitcoin Talk forum page and you can find more information here. You can also join their Discord server and their Telegram group. You can follow them on the Twitter. The easiest way to get wallet address for StarCash is to add this coin into your Metamask. You will find all the links for download and settings in description of the video. First go to their Bitcoin Talk page. When you scroll down, you will find Metamask settings. Open your Metamask, go to the settings and click on networks. Now click on this blue button where it says add a network. And now enter information you can find on the Bitcoin Talk page. The settings in Metamask should look like this. After you've entered all the information, click on the save button. Copy this address and save into text file for later use in the mining software. After we've set up Metamask and found our wallet address for mining, now we can go and find where we can start mining this coin. On the mining pool stats.stream, from the left side click on this button where it says new coins. And it will open all the new coins. You can find here StarCash. Click on this link and it will open pools for StarCash. For this video I will use this second pool, redecoin.eu, because this cool pool is a solo mining pool and you need to find block to get reward. Click on this pool and it will open Redecoin pool. On the help button you can find information how you can connect on this pool. Because this is the Ethash coin, you can use any of the known miners for mining Ethash. For AMD you can use Dimred miner or Phoenix miner. For Nvidia you can use T-Rex miner, Phoenix miner and G miner. For this video I will use T-Rex miner. T-Rex miner you can download from this link here. It will open the GitHub page and the latest version of the T-Rex miner. On this link you can download T-Rex miner. After the download is finished, open your downloads folder and extract the miner. Open the miner folder and in the miner folder you can find many batch files. For creating new batch file for mining StarCash we can use any of these prepared batch files. Right click on any of these files and edit. In the algorithm option, instead of autolicos 2 we need to enter Ethash. For pool option, copy information from Redepool.
We are getting way behind schedule.
Instead of this address, copy your wallet address and after the address enter dot and enter your worker name. This is how the batch file for mining StarCash needs to look. Click on File and click on Save As and rename this batch file to StarCash and click Save. Now you have prepared batch file for mining StarCash. Close this, open your miner folder and we have our file in the miner folder. Double click on this file and mining will start. this coin you can mine with older cards with 2, 3 or 4 gigabytes, because the DAC file of this coin is 1 gigabyte. When the miner starts finding share on the pool, you can check the progress on the pool. Copy your wallet address, go to the Rede pool, and where it says your stats and payment history, enter your address. Paste your address here and click on this blue button lookup. You can see that my worker is connected and I am mining StarCash on the Rede pool.
Make it
For setup
happen.
in simple mining, go to the group config and click add new group config. Name your group, check this button run as root and select your mining program. You can find here any miner for mining Ethash. For this video I will show you how to set up Team Red Miner. Click on this and click the latest version of Team Red Miner. Instead Ethash, you need to enter Ethash. For pool, copy pool information from Redecoin pool and paste instead of this. From this stratum plus SSL, delete SSL and enter TCP. For wallet address, enter your wallet address, and now you have prepared group config for mining StarCash. Click on save and you are ready for mining StarCash with simple mining. For HiveOS, you first need to create a wallet. Click on this button add wallet and enter your information. For coin, click StarCash. And click on this create StarCash. In the address field, enter your mining address and in the name, enter your wallet name.
Make it happen.
And now you can click on this button create. Go to the flight sheets and in the first field find your StarCash. Click on this select wallet, select the wallet you've just created. In the pool selections, click on this configure in miner. Select your miner and click on this setup miner configuration. In the first field, select hashing algorithm. You need to select Ethash. For wallet and worker name, click on this information wallet and worker name or just wallet. For worker name, select worker name. For password, enter X. And for pool, enter information from Rede pool. Select the latest version of the miner and click on this apply changes. In this field where it says name, enter the name of the flight sheet and click on this button where it says create flight sheet. And now you have prepared a flight sheet for mining StarCash with HiveOS. This was another tutorial for mining new speculative coin, and if you like this kind of videos, please go to my channel and support me. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.